What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back up here at this new job, and we have quite a few different things going on today. The first thing you'll notice is the house wrap is going on. We have two guys going around getting this house completely wrapped. They're pretty much done with the first floor, minus a couple pieces here and there. And then the next major thing that we have going on is the rafters in the corner of, well, the two corners of this wraparound porch for the roof. So this side is not done yet right here, but the other side they have about half the rafters in right now, so making good progress over there. We have two guys inside doing some framing cleanup, some last minute changes, so those guys are in there. We'll go over that stuff later. It's nothing crazy. The main thing going on is these rafters. That way we can get this roof plywooded. I believe the guys to do the footings are coming tomorrow. They better be coming tomorrow because we have concrete scheduled for 10:30 on Wednesday morning. So they're pretty much running out of time. If they don't come today, they have to come tomorrow. But I'm gonna set this up on a quick time lapse here while we finish the rafters on this side and then move down to the far side. Alright guys, so we just finished up lunch and we're getting back to work. We have this corner of the roof completely framed and sheathed. He's blowing it off. Guys are moving down to the far corner down there, but real quick while we're up here on the second floor, I know I kind of showed this briefly the other day, but this is the new closet layout. That is the floor plate. We ended up moving this wall back a little bit just to get the closet the same size as the old one. Nothing else changed yet. This shower will have to get spun around, but it definitely helps the layout of this bathroom up here being much more open to fit a tub. One thing we did on Friday was put all of these, well actually we didn't finish it. We started putting all of these 6x6 posts in. My camera died when we were working on, actually my camera didn't even die, my memory card was full from recording all week, but we ended right there with that one. We have one there, another one here on this quad LVL across the kitchen and front living area, one more post right in this corner here for this triple LVL, another one here, one more right here, and we still have to get one more. You can see where it's written on the ground there. One more in here on the end of that LVL. We do have, I believe there's three. Yeah, there's 3 posts left. So maybe, I don't know where the last 2 go. I was thinking maybe this corner, but there's no reason for it here. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Maybe we just have extra, but there might be a spot for the last 2 6x6s to go. But time to head outside and try and get this roof complete. All right guys, so we actually did not work out here on this roof. These guys set the LVL in the corner there, but the rest of us have been moving windows around and stuff. We got all of the upper windows except for, we brought one of the big, it's a double over there. We got one there, one here, and then one in the front room. We're gonna do those from the outside on the lift. All of the single units we brought up here. They just threw one in the bathroom there. We threw 2 of them, right, one here, and then the other one here. These windows are very nice. They are white on the inside, black on the outside, just like the garage. And then we also threw this last one, and you may remember from a bunch of videos back, we talked about this, how the foundation had to get a step, and this window was framed, or was not framed, was ordered bigger than how we could frame it. It was ordered the same size as that one. Obviously the foundation is much lower over there, so we got this smaller window thrown in as well. And then while I was upstairs, I realized what the last 6x6s are for. There's 2 of them. One goes in the wall right here, and then the other 2 go up. There's an LVL girder across the bathroom up there. So one in each wall over there. But in the back of my truck, I have a compressor that I have to drop off at our Dutchess yard I picked up this morning from Home Depot. So I'm gonna get out of here and go drop that off. Tomorrow we have a full crew here. I think we're gonna go around, finish the house wrap, and get all of these windows thrown in, plus obviously the porch roof and then get it weather watch. We have high temp weather watch for all of this. So that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.